Lenovo, you get about just 3/4 of your revenue from PCs, laptops, et cetera. Give us a sense. What's the state of that business right now, and how does how does it change it?
Sure. As you mentioned, Frank, one of the things that we did last week, we had an amazing event, our flagship event in Austin, Texas, called our Tech World event. And one of the things that we actually introduced there is our AI for All initiative. And so this is something that's really taking advantage of all of Lenovo's product offerings for the entire market. We talked about the vision of AI, where it's going, talking about our public foundational models, our private foundational models, and our personal foundational models for AI. And one of the things that's going to do, it's going to actually span our entire portfolio from the pocket to the cloud. So when you look at our Motorola cell phones, they're going to have AI in them. When you look at our award-winning laptops, our ThinkPads and our Yogas, they're going to have AI in them. And so what this is really going to do, it's going to create this vision of AI for all, because there's certain information, Frank, that we want to make sure is private to you as a consumer.
You know, privacy is a key issue. Just a short time ago on the show, I don't know if you heard it, but we had our reporter, Eamon Javers, talk about the new executive order from the White House. How does that impact your plans going forward? Again, Lenovo investing $1 billion in AI innovation over the next 3 years.
Yeah, Frank, one of the things Lenovo is going to do is we're going to make sure we comply to all government regulations in all the 180 markets that we operate in. So this is something we're taking a very close eye on, and we're going to make sure that we respond from an appropriate business standpoint. And as you mentioned, we did invest a lot of money in AI. Over the last 2 years, we've actually said that we've generated about $2 billion worth of revenue, particularly in areas like edge AI for retail and healthcare and manufacturing, and through our AI Innovators program. So this is absolutely an area that we're going to make sure we are focused on, both in the public space, the private space, and also in the personal space.
You know, if I want to ask you, I want to go back to one of the first things you said. I just want to make sure the audience understands. What is a foundational model?
Yeah, so this is a great question, Frank. So one of the things that you think of is if you look at something like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of those public foundational models that everybody can take advantage of. But what it does is it takes all that data that's collected on a World Wide Web type basis and actually using that as the basis for your foundation. As I've been off talking to CIOs, there's also this concept of making sure that you have private foundational models. So this may be for corporations who want to keep their data protected and safe, and customer information and IP information. They want to make sure that that's held private. And that's when you look at the vision that Lenovo has when it's talking about AI for all. When we start looking at that personal foundational model, this could be those private areas within your cell phone, within your PC, where it doesn't go out to the public cloud.
Has a feeling we might be hearing more about foundational models as we go forward, especially after this executive order. So just a short time ago, we were showing basically the global PC market share. Lenovo is the leader. However, you've seen a recent sales slump. Today, Apple has a big event focused on PCs and Macs. What do you think about this event? How does Apple reinvigorating their lineup potentially, how does it impact the business and the market?
Yeah, Frank, one of the things that we always seen, if you track the GDP model throughout time, IT and technology has always tracked above that. And so if you looked at last week, you saw some really good, encouraging results from the US GDP. And so that's something that we're tracking very, very closely. Lenovo, when we looked at some of the channel issues that we had over the last year, when you look at some of the slumping areas, those are areas that we have actually invested in. We made sure that we cleaned up, and we actually feel very, very good about the promise of the PC market moving forward.
All right, that's your business. What do you think about this Apple event coming up?
Well, it's interesting. You know, Apple is a leader in their ecosystem. But one of the things you look at is if you look at the partnership that Lenovo has with customers, clients like Microsoft, and you look at what Microsoft is doing in the x86 infrastructure. At our Tech World event, we had Microsoft, we had Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, all there to talk about the ecosystem that we're creating as well.